Okay, it's 5:45 in the evening, still 33 degrees, but it was 37 earlier, so I'm going to try and finish this before it gets dark. So just write it all down. Okay, I'll be back. Right, today is Monday the 31st of March. I had a few days break from videoing because YouTube banned me for 1 week because I videoed the boys swimming in the pond and they had no clothes on. So I got banned for a week. Anyway, I've finished the walls. It's come out quite nice, I'm quite pleased with. This is one side, and there's the other side. Come out nice, I'm quite pleased with them. My next step now is to control where the water goes. So the water comes out of this pipe here, and it's going to come round along there and also around this way. So I've got to start guiding where the water goes. So I've got this mesh which I'm going to put some concrete on to guide where the water falls. I started building this bit up because the water's going to come out of this pipe, hit this wall and then disperse each way. So this is my next step. I won't be able to finish it because we're actually going on holiday tomorrow for 18 days. So this will probably be the last video for a few weeks. Unless I video when I've done a bit of this concreting. I might do some concreting later on today. It's a beautiful day. We had some rain recently, but it's dried up now. Okay, that's the latest. I'll get back to you. Okay, it's Sunday, 27th of April. I have completed the routing of the water. So one comes this way, down here to fall there, to there, falls there, along there, falls there, and then falls into the pond. And the other side comes round there, falls there, along to here, falls there, along here, and then it falls down to there, along here, into the pond. That is how it is going to work, and all I need now is to put some plants in and a few more rocks. I'll probably try and obtain some rocks to make it look more natural, but get some plants, nice plants, and then I'll finish off with some lighting. So I would switch it on, but I've just literally finished concreting and painting, so I'm letting that dry. So I'll switch it on in the morning and show you it working. Okay, bye for now. Right, I'm going to do a water test on my waterfall. 7 o'clock in the morning, quite cool this morning, it's nice. I haven't connected the pipes yet, so just testing it with this hose pipe. There we go. Comes out here, flows down this way. Coming up. Flows down this way. Here. Here we have it. It's running perfect. Today we're going to go and buy some plants. I think I'll put a plant here, maybe one over there, one in the middle there, and perhaps some by those rocks over there. Okay, I'm quite pleased with that. Let's have a look from the distance. Let's see, I've switched it off to get to the tank at the moment, so it's just direct from the pond, so it's not filtered. It's just to test the waterfall. And there we have it. My first ever waterfall I have built. Okay, we'll go and buy some plants and I'll show you what we've got. Bye bye for now. So happy. Turned out better than I was expecting. Not bad for an old man. Right. I've connected all the pipes up. Did some minor tweaks to the waterfall to guide the water better. And this is the final result. All done. See, I had to build it a little bit higher here because the water was going into the area here, flooding the plant. So, but all done. Took about 2 months, but job's a good one.